to day 3. Mini vlog.
Yes.
We've just been to Hollywood Studios for the morning and lunchtime.
Hot and busy.
But we've come to the Caribbean Beach Resort to do the mini vlog because it was people-y at Hollywood Studios and it was music-y. So we couldn't get away from either, no matter where we went in the park. So we thought, let's come somewhere quieter.
Fancied a little trip on skyliner as well.
And now we're sitting in the aircon, you can see the lovely fans going around.
Yeah. Yeah, we've had a good morning.
Yep.
Done a few rides.
We managed to do Rise. We did Slinky.
Yep. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
And Starters.
So we've done a few. Next time we come in, we're going to do some different ones.
We're going to do the other ones that we haven't done.
Yeah.
And no lurch, she's still grabbing us.
No,
Some of the
it's
Christmas stuff
very
was out.
poor.
But even like a knitted jumper that had, which was Spirit Jersey brand, which had Walt Disney on the back, $100. Ow!
We saw a Coach hoodie, didn't we? It was £500. $500.
Just madness. Yeah. But nothing is really grabbing us anyway.
Star Wars wise, it's very poor.
And nothing Boba Fett. So might be saving your pennies this year, might you?
Going home with a lot of dollars, I think.
Oh well. We had a lunch at the Backlot Express. We just had chicken strips.
It's okay. Busy.
Yeah, took a while to queue, but we got it. It was fine. It was piping hot when we got it. So, which will lead us on to Snackvent, as I got it at the Backlot Express.
So here we go.
Snackvent.
Yes.
We are at Backlot Express at Hollywood Studios, and I've managed to find this. It's the Glimmer and Shimmer Blondie. So it's gooey toffee and toasted coconut blondie with salted caramel buttercream and festive golden nuggets. And this was $4.49. It's massive, to be honest. So I'm going to go for the buttercream first.
Is it salted caramel?
Yeah, it really is. That's the sort of buttercream that's been whipped to within an inch of its knife. Okay. You're going to have to help me eat this, Mr. B.
Cookie itself?
Well, it's more like a brownie consistency, really. Ooh. That's like the ooey gooey toffee cake at Liberty Tree Tavern. That's very good. That would be nice, warmed up with some ice cream.
Oh. Good?
Right, I'm guessing you want a bit now.
Yes, please. I'm going to go all in with everything.
Okay. Yeah. This is one of the 50th snack pudding thingy-me-bobs.
Bit of that.
It's quite crumbly, isn't it? It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite subtle, isn't it?
Yeah. It's just huge. Very nice,
yeah,
though.
it's kind of oaty.
Yes, I think that's
consistency.
Some of the toasted coconut in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. If you're here during the 50th, then we'd recommend that.
Yeah, really good. That was really nice, actually, wasn't it?
It was different.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, not had anything like that before.
Yeah, it's very nice indeed.
And not bad value.
Bit of a bargain for $4.49.
Yeah, very good.
And of course, if we've had hats.
No, snacks.
Snacks. If we have.
Leaving that in.
Snacks. Now we need hats.
Here we go. Gotta love a goofy hat. Wonder if we'll find another one.
You're just obsessed with goofy hats now, aren't you?
That's a good one, that. We had a look around at the merch, magic bands, pins, clothes, Pandora, all these sorts of things.
Actually, there was a couple of Pandora bits that were kind of going, hello, Papa.
We've got a lot of Marvel stuff now, Infinity Stone stuff.
I might indulge, we'll see. I'll see if I see it. We haven't been to Disney Springs yet, so we haven't seen all of the shops and merch.
No.
But tonight, we are off to see friends
Yeah, we're out for dinner.
That don't vlog, so they won't be on camera. But off property, we're going to somewhere we've never been before, somewhere called North Italia. So, right, looking forward to that.
Yeah, a bit of pasta.
Yeah, something a bit different.
Something different. And that's it for today.
Yes.
Yeah, so...
We're trying to keep it chilled this time. We're trying not to hang around the parks a lot because, I'm not being funny, we don't want you to start feeling completely pants, do we?
So we've got a bit of weather coming over the next few days, haven't we? So.
But taking it slow is actually
should be
nice.
alright. Christmas party tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow is Magic Kingdom. Finally, we get to see the castle. So we're there in the day, and then we're going back in the evening for the party.
Yeah, so it should be good. So with that...
Thank you for all the lovely comments. Thank you for everyone for watching the mini vlogs. And I do keep abreast of Instagram. I'm trying to update stories as best I can when I'm on Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Anyway, please like, please subscribe.
Please comment. The full pre-travel day vlog is up. Don't forget that
go
went
watch
up
that
yesterday. So yes, please give that a watch. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah. Magic Kingdom.
Yes, there should be a castle in the background tomorrow, hopefully.
Anyway, with that, bye for now.
Bye.